Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, October 23rd, and this is my analysis for the US dollar index, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, I'm still kind of leaning towards this going up and at least taking out these highs. I still think there's a chance it might even go up and take out both of these previous highs also. Now, we cannot rule out the possibility of this being like either an A or a 1. This is either a B or a 2, and then it goes down again for a C, which would do this, or possibly it goes down for a 3, which would be a trend reversal. So definitely need to, do whatever the market tells us to do. Going down to the 1 hour time frame. Now, if this move up right here is actually a pullback to this move down right here, then we would want our Fibonacci retracement on there. We would most likely see a break of structure to the downside at a Fibonacci level. Now, the break of structure area for me is right here. So if it breaks below here, especially if it's at a Fibonacci level, which it's not, then I definitely would become bearish the dollar via the dollar pairs themselves. But as of right now, I definitely would be looking at this move down as likely just another pullback within an uptrend. As long as we don't get that significant break of structure at a Fibonacci level, I'm definitely going to continue to be bullish the dollar and trade the dollar pairs accordingly. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.